Well, good day, folks. It's your boy Ferris Deloney, and your boy has made the leaderboard for Globalnpn. Now, I'm not going to take up too much of your time, and I will tell you like this now. If you're looking for an opportunity that is going to pay you from $5 to $100 per referral residually each and every month by providing them with tools that they need to promote their business or they can use to promote, or they could just promote Global NPN to grow an income so they can bust through the doors of any and every leaderboard that there is out there and have people wondering what they're doing. And it all started from here. I never made a leaderboard in my life, ever. But this leaderboard I made today, the most revenue generated in the last 30 days. Come on now. This has been your boy Ferris Deloney. I normally have a soundtrack with my videos, but I know I wasn't gonna be on that long that day. So yeah. Click that little link down below if you want to make $5 to $100 per sale and provide people with the tools that they need to grow their business. Choice is yours. Be blessed.